Hello everyone, my name is LittleBadass3207. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download a sound file, like a sound pack for LSPDFR or FiveM. Alright, so first you want to open up your task manager, your taskbar, what the fuck you want to call it, Google. And then you want to go to lspdfr.com. Okay. Let's do it. Alright, let me go to sound, right? Okay. Downloads. Sounds. Then you want to download this sound pack. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you guys want to hear what it sounds like, this is what it sounds like. It's a nice sound pack. I like it. Do this one. While this is downloading, you want to open up your main directory. So for me, you go to Steam. Okay, when you open this, you right click on GTA, manage, browse local files. Okay, then it will pop up right over here. And then go to x64, audio, SFX, and then you want to scroll down until you see resident.rpf. This right here. You want to do not delete this file. You put this on your desktop, so if anything happens, you'll always have it. So you're going to drag this onto your desktop, okay? And then, well, this is, okay, now this is done. You're going to do this. And then you're going to drag this into your sound file. Okay, look. We're going to do this, and then we're going to drag it, and then drop it. And then it's in there now, okay? Then we're going to close out of that, close out of this. Close out of that. And then we're going to open up FiveM. Do not delete this file. Do not delete it. Whatever you do, not delete that file. Then you will have any server of your choice, honestly. I like to play on Houston State Roleplay because I just don't. I just like the community. Okay, never mind. Let's just go on a different server. This is not good. Let me see if the server's up. Alright, we're loading in. Once you're loading in, you're just gonna get this shiz. Just wait for this to load. So how's everyone's day going? I hope everyone a Merry Christmas, a very, very Merry Christmas. Let me know what you guys want for Christmas down in the comments. This doesn't want to take 6 years to load. This takes like 20 years for some reason today. Okay. Alright, so once you're done with everything, you drag the resident.rpf in the file. You're gonna go into the game. Like, I'm in the game right now. Okay, look. See, I'm in game. Alright, I'm gonna click F1. Vehicle related options. Save vehicles. Emergency. Officer. Now you have the siren pack installed. If you guys do enjoy, make sure to drop a follow, drop a like, comment if you guys need any help. I'll link my Discord down in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.